Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a very easy recipe for homemade granola, and you can use whatever you have in your home to make this. It's very easy and very flavorful.
So guys, to make this granola we're gonna start with some honey in a saucepan. And the reason why I'm putting honey in the saucepan is because when it's time to mix it with the other ingredients, it's much more easier to mix in. And I'm going in with some peanut butter, just a little bit, because my husband loves peanut butter in his granola. So if you guys wanted to omit the peanut butter, you can. Now I'm going to place this on my stove and I'm going to just heat it up for about 5 minutes until it has a nice runny consistency, which will make it more easy to work with. Okay, so I have that on my stove on a low, and in the meantime, let's start with the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to go in with some oats. And this is rolled oats, guys. Sesame seeds, some hemp seeds, and this is what it looks like in the bottle. In goes some grounded chia seeds. Now I'm using whatever I have on hand, guys, so if you wanted to make this, please use whatever you have on hand, because as you know, at this time you cannot go to the supermarket every time. I'm going in with some coconut flakes. You can use fresh coconut if you wanted to. I don't have any, so I'm using the flakes. Next goes in some quinoa. I just thought it would be really great in here to try it at this time. And I'm adding in some chopped almonds and some chopped cashew nuts. And that's it. Now we just have to pour in our honey and peanut butter mixture, which is looking really nice at this time. So you see how nice it looks? It's nice and runny, so in this way it will be able to coat everything properly. I'm gonna give this a mix to make sure everything is well incorporated before we add in that mixture. And now I'm going to drizzle on my mixture. And start mixing. Remember guys, as I said, if you didn't want to put the peanut butter, you don't have to. You know what would go good in here? Some cinnamon. So I'm gonna get some cinnamon powder. And I'm gonna sprinkle some cinnamon powder over this. And if you wanted to put any other type of spices, of course you can. This was just an afterthought as I'm mixing here. It will go really good with it. So mix, mix, mix. Okay, once mixed in, we're going to transfer it onto a lined sheet. If you do not have one of these mats, you can use parchment paper. My oven just came up to temperature at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna spread this out evenly. You see how it has a nice sticky, and it smells. It's nice and sticky, but you can smell that peanut butter. It's gonna be oh so delicious. So this granola is going to go into my oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about half an hour, or until it has a nice brown top. Now guys, I want to tell you all, if you wanted to add some chopped dried fruits like some apricots or some goji berries, some raisins, currants, whatever you have in your pantry, fruits that are dried, feel free to add it to this. But this, guys, is finished as is. All we need to do is allow this to cool down completely before we can enjoy it. So I'm just going to start breaking this up. You guys see how it holds together? And I'm gonna leave it kind of chunky. Place it into my bowl.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. This was very delicious. My husband enjoyed it. That peanut butter flavor came through tremendously. It was very crunchy and delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Use whatever you have around your home. Please remember to stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.